Channel,
Feels
boys.
pretty big. It looks like it's heavy.
Let it do that. Back off the drag a little bit too, actually. Not much. Yeah, there you go. Oh no.
Meek
Here,
might
move.
be making it happen or not.
Yeah, looks like a sturgeon. That's a sturgeon.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's a sturgeon. Meek, what's going on, boys? First trip out, dude. Come on.
Dude, you already got me beat, Mike.
I haven't landed it yet.
Yeah.
Here, back up a little bit if you can. Here, go to the right of that. Yep.
Oh, it's a catfish.
Shut up, dude. That is sick,
It's a
dude.
little guy.
He bites good though.
When it wasn't immediately peeling off, I assumed it was like a little one. But that
Get
is
her up
sick.
here, Mike.
I can get out of the
Let her
way.
get around
if you
that. You're good, you're good, you're good. Nice, dude.
Oh,
yeah,
Fuck
dude.
hell yeah,
Mike.
dude.
Just got my first lake sturgeon. Get him right back in the water. He's pretty sharp, right along here. And just look at that mouth right underneath there.
That's sweet.
We just eat off the bottom. And he's gone.